If you're seeing Facebook error 20, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right away. This error is often caused by a temporary browser issue, a bad connection, or cached data interfering with Facebook loading correctly. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to keep making easy fixes for common problems. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is refresh the page. If you're on a computer, press F5 on your keyboard, or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes error 20 is just a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh is enough to get Facebook loading properly again. Give it a moment and see if the page starts working normally. If refreshing doesn't fix it, the next thing you should check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and that other websites are loading correctly. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, Facebook may fail to connect and show an error instead. You can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, restarting your router, or reconnecting to the network to see if that helps. Now, if the connection looks fine, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores files and temporary data to help pages load faster, but sometimes that saved data becomes outdated or corrupted. That can cause Facebook to display errors like error 20. To clear the cache, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and remove cached images and files. After that, close the browser completely and open Facebook again to test it. If the issue still isn't gone, try using Incognito Mode. This is a great troubleshooting step because it opens the browser without using your saved cache, cookies, or many extensions. In Chrome, for example, you can open a new incognito window and then sign into Facebook there. If Facebook works in incognito mode, then the problem is likely related to your regular browser data, cookies, or an extension interfering with the site. At that point, you may want to disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, because those can sometimes block parts of Facebook from loading properly. You can also try a different browser entirely, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, to see whether the error happens there too. If Facebook loads in another browser, then the issue is probably specific to your original browser setup. Another helpful step is to restart your device. Sometimes background processes or temporary system glitches can affect how websites load. A quick restart can clear out those issues and give you a fresh start when you open Facebook again. If you've tried all of these steps and the error is still showing, the problem may be on Facebook's side, and waiting a little while may be the only option. In that case, try again later and check whether Facebook is having wider service issues. So to recap, the best fixes for Facebook error 20 are to refresh the page, check your internet connection, clear your browser cache, and try incognito mode. Those 4 steps solve the problem for many users. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.